fits nice, it seals in nice. Get that fitting right where it's gotta be. See, now we got beautiful. Look at that. Damn. Once we get this new piece in, then we'll be all set. But this is with the old beat up piece. I'm happy. Once I get the new seal strip.
You saying when it come forward at the top?
Yeah. When I put the new seal strip on.
Yeah, I see it.
Right now, you're judging off something that's all beat up. So I make it the nicest I can.
Yeah. One thing, just me as a guy that's not as experienced as Mr. Rich as a car builder, me as a car enthusiast who was a customer at one point, ran into issues with older cars. The one thing I like, what I see now, is how the glass fit into the weather stripping. A lot of times when you get them up, due to play inside of the regulator or whatever's going on bad that's deteriorating on the inside of the door, you don't have quality fitment like it is right now. The small 5%, what he's talking about is adjustment of the back glass, and I kind of see what he was saying. So in other words, it's going to get even better than this. But the fitment of where both are sitting, how all of it meets here, it's seated good. Exactly. So that's good, because sometimes with these cars, you'll see for guys that know, if you want to come this way, Justin, guys that have these cars, you'll see sometimes the glass will come up and it look like it's out the groove, like it's not even in the right channel. All the way inside of the channel is inside of the weather stripping, which is the job of the weather stripping. So when the rain hit, all of the rain hits and gets outside of the car. It doesn't go inside the interior of the car. New weather, this is another big thing for you guys here. The window filters, this outside piece right here, this not only negates the water from getting inside the interior doors, but it also adjusts and accentuates fitment of the glass too. Once again, this is a Monte Carlo, which is a cousin to the Cutlass. All of these parts are made brand new. I like building cars like this that we can get everything through, like all of the trim, the stuff that Mr. Rich saved and polished up, we kept, but the moldings at the bottom, the customer brought new. So all of that's gonna look, suit and tie clean, you know what I mean? Kind of like what you want, so. And the car dirty right now. Wait till we really clean it up and you guys see. A lot of this stuff up front was put together for fitment purposes to make sure we had everything. Some of the welding work was done prior to, Mr. Rich is a stickler for detail, so he wanted to put the bumpers on, check all the gaps. It gave us kind of like what we wanted to see. So once again, we taking it back off. We got some cleanup work, that was done to pieces that still got to be painted. So, it's a little more work that we're gonna take a couple of pieces of the front end off, but we got it coming together. You got the billet hood hinges that, I always rave about because of the functionality of them versus the old ones. But look at the look of the Eddie Motorsport polished aluminum billet hood hinges, man. They look real good, and like I say, functionality is key. Like, you don't want something you gotta rock back and forth, finger pull, you coming down, same thing going up, which is why 2022 cars has a gas shock and not a spring. It's newer technology to kind of accentuate the classic vehicle. So what y'all thought, man? Y'all thought we was playing, man? We do this. That's when Mr. Rich done did something good. When he walk around taking them quick, short ass steps and doing this shit here, he done slam dunks and shit. he done hit a 3 from half court when he walk around like that playing with that beer. You can see how the body lines, even for these pieces that's aftermarket, just look how clean that's lined up. You see, that's important for these pieces. These pieces got to be lined up correct in order for these to be lined up. This here is bad rubber stripping. Once this get replaced, obviously that'll be brand new. The piece that's on the back window that need to be replaced, this channel here. So once this get replaced with the new rubber, it'll even fit better.